Hey everybody, this is Dad from Dad and Son DIY It All. And today I'm going to show you a quick tip on something that we'll all need to do at some point, and that's replace the battery in our key fob. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your battery and your key fob. And in our case, we have a Honda key fob. You have to slide the emergency lock key or standard key out of it, and then you got to find that little area right there. I prefer using a coin. Some people tell you to use the key itself. I don't want to risk damage, and a nickel fits perfectly and doesn't scratch or damage the fob in any way. So once you know your battery type, I knew ours was a 32. You get your lithium battery. You go ahead and pop out the one that's dying, and then you get the new one. Make sure you have your positive and negative lined up correctly. In most cases, it won't fit in incorrectly. However, just remember where the positive and where the negative is. Pop that new one back in. Replace the case. Now, in most cases, they have a little clip to help guide it. So find that clip in the back. Secure that before squeezing at the bottom. Once you hear those clicks, you're good to go. Your new battery's in. You can replace, if yours has it like ours, the emergency lockout key, and then you can test it by clicking the buttons here. You see it glow red, you know your battery's good to go. So hopefully this helps you, and we wish you all the best.